and then they said that. I did not, each one share. Pocket 4 D-Log. Hey, there's so much going on. Before we continue, before I forget, everything you're seeing and hearing, well, obviously everything you're seeing is coming direct from the camera, but everything you're hearing is also coming direct from the camera. I don't have any wireless mic attached, but one mode I do have on, which is one of the new modes on the Pocket 4 versus the 3, is this vocal boost. So yeah, I've turned that on because there's so much ambient noise going on, so much going over there, going over there, going over there. So I thought if there's any time to put vocal boost on, it is right now. Anyway, last week I made a video about Pocket 4 and auto mode and how, yeah, it doesn't look the best, mainly on the skin tones, just makes everything look a little bit ghosty and weird. But with everything that's bad, there's always something that you can find that's good. It's all about balance, right? It's kind of like the pineapple on pizza thing. When the pineapple's on the pizza's bad. As soon as you take the pineapple off the pizza, it's a lot better. So here we are. I told you, can you hear me? Is the vocal boost working? So yeah, one thing I spoke about in that video was D-Log is a lot better because it makes the skin tones look a lot more natural and a lot more sexy. So here we are. Yeah. I forgot, it's so hot. It is a scorcher today, mate. It's so hot. I'm trying to remember if I've said what I've said. Yes, I think I have. Anyway, so you know what? It is a scorcher today. So let's stop waffling and let's go and find a beer and enjoy the sun. You always go when I need you the most. You always go when I need you the most. We're on the Aperol Spritz now. Aperol Spritz out of a plastic cup. Cheers. Is the sun even out if you're not drinking an Aperol Spritz out of a plastic cup? Right, what I wanted to say, in the interest of being transparent, because I don't want you to kind of just get out there, shoot in D-Log, get back, watch it back and you're like, oh shit. I've had an ND filter on the lens pretty much throughout this whole video, apart from some of the shots that have been inside, purely down to the fact that when you're shooting in D-Log, things are obviously slightly different than shooting in D-Log M. The base ISO in D-Log is 400, which, yeah, poses a slight issue on a day like today where it is so sunny and so bright. If I didn't have an ND filter on the lens, certain things would just look way too overexposed, which I guess goes back on what I was saying last week when shooting in auto mode, how everything was just way too overexposed and the faces looked weird and ghosty. In D-Log, on a bright sunny day like today, you are gonna need an ND filter, which obviously is a little bit more hassle because, yeah, in auto mode you can just whack it in auto mode and not attach anything and you're good to go. But I'm sure you'll agree that things look better in this video this week than they did in the video last week, mainly if you focus on the face, right? As I said in the video last week, like, faces are a lot more natural because I think the face priority thing that I'm nearly 100% is active when you're in auto mode isn't active when you're shooting in D-Log, which is the main reason for me, even if I'm not doing any grading, why I would shoot and recommend shooting in D-Log, because the faces just look so weird in the other modes versus like now. Like, look at this, like, this is sexy shit, right? So I've had ND64 on. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, things are bright out here, even with ND64 on. Like, if you look at this sky bit behind me, like, look at that. Like, that is white and bright. Like, that is the sun, right? But to my eye, like, that is white. Like, it's not like that is blue. That is blue, as you can see with this sky behind me. Like, that looks so good. Like, look at that. This is white. Like, I don't know, even if I had like ND like a million on it, if that's gonna look blue, because it's not blue to my eye. Like, this side is white. But if I didn't have ND64 on, then yeah, certain shots would just be way too overexposed. So yeah, I just want to let you know that obviously things are slightly different in D-Log, with the base ISO being, you know, 400. Even with the shutter speed going its fastest, if you leave it in auto, which is like 1/8000, it still doesn't compensate for the overexposure on a bright sunny day like today. Now, this is the first time I've actually put an ND filter on the Pocket 4, because this is the first time it's been so bright. All of the other times it hasn't been this bright, and I've got away with not putting an ND filter on and just whacking it in D-Log and putting the conversion on, and yeah, good to go. Like I said, today is slightly different. I mean, just to give you a weather update, like, it is 31 out here. As you've seen, like, people have come out. Like, the sun comes out and people have come out. I think it's officially now the hottest day of the year. As you can see from the beaming sun that is behind me over there. So yeah, a little bit more complicated than shooting in D-Log M, right? Because you could get away, like, I could probably get away with shooting in D-Log M now, because the base ISO on that is 50. I could probably get away with not actually putting an ND filter on. And actually, I'm thinking about it over the time shooting in D-Log M on the Pocket 3 and Action 6, when I've done, like, if I was shooting a day like today, like, I don't think I've put an ND filter on unless I was doing like all the cinematic stuff with the shutter speed and, you know, 1/50 and all this stuff. So yeah, to just keep that in mind, that you are going to need on a bright sunny day like today, if you are just going to whack it in D-Log, I think I've repeated myself, I'm sorry, but you are going to need an ND filter. But I'm sure you'll agree, like I said, that this right now looks better than we looked last week. Yeah, that's it. Cheers.